It isn't a fit night out for man or beast. It is KODE. We had, probably about an inch of ice, sleet, a little bit of snow. It's nasty, 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 nasty. So, just got home, ate some dinner. Now I'm gonna go out and do the chores, check on animals, make sure they're all doing fine. Sounds like the ladies are wanting to be fed. They've got plenty of hay, but I think I want to take and put some more hay out for them, kind of for their bedding. So we'll go and do that. I'm supposed to have another round of this nasty stuff coming in probably in the morning, I believe. So it's just going to be rough. So doing chores and this kind of stuff is not a whole lot of fun. Kind of makes you wonder if it's all worth it or not, but I think it is. I think these animals, they can attest to it, that it's worth it. Hey, Ollie, how y'all making it? How y'all making it? Let's get you some food. Grab your bucket. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you can see it is just a sheet of ice. Yeah, luckily not a whole lot on the trees and the power lines. I think Katie said the power went out once today, but it came right back on, so very fortunate. We do have some backup generators, just in case, but I'd rather not use those. There you go, guys. Hey, get down, Ollie. Go get back. Get back. Get off there. Damn it, you. Fucking suckers. You really get fed like that. What do you think, buddy? What do you think, buddy? Woo! Oh, hey Tyke, hey Herbert. Woo, it is cold, 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 cold. Back, Ollie. So got the goats, got them all fed. I'm gonna go grab a couple square bells and those new totes that I set out for them for their shelter. I'm going to throw some hay in there, just kind of freshen it up a little bit. It is pretty miserable out here, and you just imagine these animals going through. But God made them with them the right type of fur and all that stuff, and they can handle that stuff a lot better than I could. I'm a little limited on the fur, but still, whenever we can help out, make it a little more bearable for them, I think it's a good thing. So that's what we're going to do. checking on the cows. Dad and I, we fed yesterday, and so they should be good with hay. Just kind of looking, making sure that I don't have any that are calving, because this cold weather can really put things into an extra gear on that. So we'll check that out. I would roll down my window, but it's cold outside, and also my windows froze up. So the creek is still running. They got water, but it is frozen in some places. It's a good thing for four-wheel drive. Old Blue does a pretty good job on this stuff. Dad was feeding hay earlier this week. He was driving through this mud hole and just heard a hissing noise, and a rock in this mud hole cut the side of his tire on his tractor. So I had to get new tires for the front of the tractor. Some little stouter tire. We got some, I think, 10 ply tires. Should work a little better. They're out of the wind, just sitting, eating, pooping, drinking, eating, pooping, sleeping. That's what they do. Got pretty good insulation where you can see that ice is just kind of caked up on their backs. Well, I'll be thinking about y'all tonight whenever I'm sleeping in my bed. Mama, what are you doing by yourself over here? Huh? Well, you look fine. You just hanging out? Whew, that wind's got a bite to it. But we feed over here in the woods just so they can get kind of out of the wind, get a little bit of a break. Sometimes you look out there throughout the woods, and you look for a black cow or a calf. They'll go out there by themselves with the calf. I don't see anything. They won't go very far from the hay. They'll still go out there in the woods and kind of go calf. Yeah, doesn't look like any new babies on the ground, so that's good. All right, I'll leave you all alone. Keep up the good work. What y'all doing in here? What's going on? There we go. There's some fresh hay for y'all. Throw it in here. There you go, Herbert. There's you some hay, buddy. Billy, you want to come out and play? Huh? There we go. Throw y'all some new hay in there. Yeah. Watch out. Watch out, Ollie. Okay, where'd the wire go? What did I do with the wire? There's the wire. Where'd the other piece go? I'll find it with a mower, I bet. Oh, there it is. Come back here. Give it back, give it back. There we go. Okay. Well, not sure if y'all could see that or not, but we got some fresh hay in there, and they are very, very happy. Hopefully it'll make their bed a little more comfortable. I am about out of daylight, so I'm gonna go in, cozy up by the fire, probably play some board games with the fam. That's what they're wanting to do. And we're just gonna try to stay warm, because it is cold. Hopefully you guys are staying warm, staying safe. Be careful when you're walking, and keep track of your animals. If you know an elderly person, go check on them and make sure they're doing fine. And stay warm. All right, I'm getting out here. See